On September 10, 2016, a powerful earthquake struck Chotera district, with Minziiro parish being the hardest hit area. Villages like Kampanji, Mabale, Chigazi and Chisakala were severely affected, with over 1,000 homes, schools, hospitals and plantations destroyed.
Standing now here, these are one of the houses that were destroyed by the earthquake, that is in 2016. And since then, we are promised to have such people have their houses reconstructed. But up to now, almost we are now in 10 years, nothing we have seen. So many houses were destroyed, like 1,700 homesteads that were destroyed. People were sleeping outside.
Local leaders report that many residents still live in fear, with poor buildings at risk of collapse, schools, churches in poor condition.
Gano gemaka abantu bange gebasulamu gafanana bwegati maka gano galimu abaana abaami wamu n'abaana abato. Nina obweraliikirivu bungi okuba nti abatuuze bange basula mu nyumba efaanana bweti, nga nina okutya nti obudde bwonna ennyumba eno eyinza okutuusaako abatuuze bange obulabe.
Amalwaliro gakoseka, amasomero gakoseka, amasinzizo gakoseka, amayumba g'abantu kugamba era tugenda kutwalako oyongera okulaba n'amayumba amalala agakyaliko mu mbeera galinga ng'eno.
We haven't received anything. They promised to help these people get back to their normal lives, because so many things are destroyed. Apart from the houses and schools and hospitals, even their gardens. So it was very terrible here when it comes to the earthquake that passed in 2016. So many things were promised by the president when he came to Minziiro. So many things were confirmed from the president's promise by the Prime Minister then, Ndugu Rugunda, but nothing so far has reached this area.
At Minziiro Health Center too, conditions are dire. A woman who recently gave birth explained the hardships they face due to the lack of adequate medical facilities.
Abakyala abaana baffe bazaala naye bazaalira wonna wonna wafu waggulu sindibolo zonna zakunkumukulu musisi. Tulina ekizibu ky'amaanyi tubadde tusaba ssebo okuyambibwako ayinooneka wonna wayatika kuyambibwako olw'ebizibu bingi nnyo, ebintu byonna byasaanawo ate nga naffe situlina na ssente zongerako ga nti tuddaabirize ebizimbe.
Residents recall that during President Museveni's visit in 2016, he promised each affected household 20 bags of cement, 20 iron sheets, 10 iron bars, and 500,000 Ugandan shillings to help them rebuild. However, 9 years later, they say they have received nothing.
Because it has took long without fulfilling these promises, people had to do this and that so that they can get where to sleep. Some had to sell their part of their land so that they can at least construct where to sleep. They couldn't stay in tents for all these years. Some had to sell their land. Some had to even to lose their gardens.
Meanwhile, Kaka Ismail Lubega Uthman, an NRM candidate for the Kakuto MP seat, has constructed a toilet for a local school as part of his community support efforts. He has also vowed to bring the residents' plea to the president's attention.
Today, to implement the pledge, I pledge to the community to build a toilet for the only secondary school in the area. I told them that I'll deliver the message to the chairman, the national chairman of NRM, and all the members of NRM, approach the Prime Minister, Right Honorable Mama Robina Nabanja, to request her at least to try visit this area and see the challenges facing this community. Actually, according to these people, they have assured me that if God wishes and I get the flag to represent NRM as their flag bearer in the election 2026-2031, they will stand behind me and they will vote for me so that I can try to solve some of the problems.
As Minziiro residents continue to wait, they are urging the government to act swiftly before the situation worsens. Their plea remains the same. Joseph Chigozi, Jamil Sekaja, UBC News.